Testing of Hyundai HGN25 air circuit breaker. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply and a multimeter in order to see the opening and closing of the contact. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a long time delay test, and the breaker trips after about 15 seconds. Lastly, we perform a short time delay test, and the breaker trips almost instantly. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.